In this video, I will show you how to configure Fortigate banner page in Fortigate firewall, right? So if you want to configure banner page in Fortigate firewall before accessing the firewall, so you can configure it. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि फोर्टिगेट फायरवॉल बैनर पेज को कैसे हम कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे, राइट? सो देयर आर टू थिंग्स, प्री लॉगिन बैनर पेज एंड पोस्ट लॉगिन बैनर पेज। सो प्री लॉगिन बैनर पेज में क्या होता है कि बिफोर यू एक्सेसिंग द फोर्टिगेट फायरवॉल you will see the message, right? And post login banner page, you will see after logging the Fortigate firewall the message what you have configured, right? So आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू एनेबल सेट प्री लॉगिन बैनर पेज, राइट? सो पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले आप तो यार सेट कर सकते हो प्री लॉगिन बैनर पेज, राइट? या तो पोस्ट लॉगिन बैनर पेज, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट, राइट? सो आफ्टर दैट आपको ये CLI में ये कमांड एनेबल करना पड़ेगा, राइट? बाय डिफॉल्ट ये डिसेबल रहती है। सो कैसे आप प्री लॉगिन बैनर पेज कॉन्फ़िगर करोगे और एंड पोस्ट लॉगिन बैनर पेज? सो लेट मी शो यू। तो ये मेरा मैनेजमेंट इंटरफेस का आईपी एड्रेस है जिससे मैं फायरवॉल को एक्सेस कर रहा हूँ, राइट? तो यहाँ पे आप अभी देख सकते हो कि कोई भी बैनर पेज का मतलब आई मीन कोई मैसेज नहीं दिखाई दिया, राइट? तो आपको जाना पड़ेगा सिस्टम रिप्लेसमेंट मैसेज, राइट? तो देर इज ऑप्शन एक्सटेंडेड व्यू, राइट? So here as you can see that post login disclaimer message and pre-login disclaimer message, right? So firstly, I'm going to configure pre-login banner page, right? Before accessing the FortiGate firewall, you will see the disclaimer message, right? So आप इस मैसेज को हटा भी सकते हो, अपना खुद का कस्टमाइज मैसेज यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो, राइट? जस्ट डिलीटिंग दिस वन, राइट? सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस थिंग्स, सो आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट लीव दिस मैसेज एज ए डिफॉल्ट, राइट? जस्ट सेव। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सेस CLI ऑफ द FortiGate firewall, right? So one more thing I would like to tell you that I have enabled telnet to access the FortiGate firewall remotely, right? So let me show you. तो अभी आपको कोई भी बैनर पेज दिखाई नहीं देगा, राइट? क्योंकि अभी मैंने एनेबल नहीं किया, राइट? तो in order to configure banner page in Fortigate firewall in the CLI, right? So you have to go in config system global set pre-login banner enable, right? So this is the command. So please for 1 minute. So now I'm going to log out the Fortigate firewall, right? So as you can see that at this time I have seen that this message is showing, right? So let me see, show you the CLI also, right? तो यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही इस कमांड को एंटर करोगे, आई मीन जैसे ही आप फोर्टीगेट फायरवॉल को एक्सेस करोगे, तो आपको वो बैनर मैसेज दिखाई देगा जो आपने सेट किया था। तो मैंने डिफॉल्ट सेट किया था एज इट इज जैसे फायरवॉल में था। तो मैं जैसे इस कमांड को एंटर करूंगा, आई मीन जैसे ही मैं फोर्टीगेट फायरवॉल को एक्सेस करूंगा, तो जो मेरे को बैनर मैसेज दिखाई देगा, राइट। So this is the not IP address of FortiGate firewalls management interface. So two is the management IP address of the FortiGate firewall. So as you can see that at this time, this message is showing, right. So just press A. After that, log in the username and password to access the FortiGate firewall, right. So this was the pre-login message, pre-login banner, right. So now I'm going to show you post-login. After accessing the FortiGate firewall, you will see the message, right? So I am going to disable the FortiGate pre-login message at this time, right? So in order to disable banner page pre-login banner page in FortiGate firewall, you just have to go to in config system global mode, then type set pre-login banner disable, right? So at this time, you will not see the FortiGate firewall banner login page, right? So 192.168. Please wait for a moment. It will take 1 minute, right? To reflect the configuration. Still, it is coming. Just wait a minute. So, post login banner page में what you will see after logging the FortiGate firewall, you will see the banner message, right? Now I'm going to enable post login, right? Using the CLI. Let me show you first of all through GUI. So go to system and replacement message, then extended view, and here is the post login, right? So here you can set as per your requirement. Let me show you this system is only for admin, right? So this is the message, right? What I have set, right? So now I'm going to enable post login through the CLI of the FortiGate firewall. admin password config system global set post login banner enable, right? So now I'm going to access Fortigate firewall, right? So as you can see that this is the message what I have set right in the GUI, right? This system is only for admin access. I mean, post login, you will see the message after accessing the FortiGate firewall, right? When you enter the username and password successfully, then you will see the post login message, right? In pre-login, you will see the message before logging the FortiGate firewall, right? As soon as you take the console of FortiGate firewall or you want to access, if you will access the FortiGate firewall remotely, right? So CMD 192.168.79.2 So as you can see that here it is also showing this system is only for admin, right? So here SA, right? Then you want to access any of the services of the FortiGate firewall. So config system global. So right, this was the command what I have set, right? Right now both command are enabled pre-login and post-login. That's why we were getting the pre-login message and post-login message both, right? Let me repeat again. So this is the method how that's how you can configure firewall FortiGate firewall banner login page in FortiGate firewall, right? So so here first you need to go to system, then replacement message, and this extended view, and here you can set as per your requirement, right? So I have just shown you for an example, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you have understood anything from this video, so I would like to request you, please like and share and subscribe.